Hey, my friend, welcome to my YouTube page. This is Trade with Henry Dennis, and this video is sponsored by WikiFX. WikiFX is the best regulatory inquiry broker app. You can download them on Google, give them a rating of 5-star. All right. So if you need a global Forex broker regulatory inquiry app, go to wikifx.com or go on Google or click the link in my description and download the app. It's easy to use. You can check every broker that is under regulation. You can check the broker who is a scam. There are a lot of reviews here. There are a lot of news here. There's also VPS and other forums. So make sure you download the app today and rate it 5-star. Thank you very much. So we'll go back to our analysis on NASDAQ. So NASDAQ is doing badly today. You can see everywhere is bleeding. It's red. You can see the market is really red for NASDAQ. So what this tells you is that you're going to be shorting, right? So we've seen our fundamental analysis. We see the Apple is going down, Microsoft. NASDAQ is basically top 100 companies, right? So most of these companies are having a bad day today. So we know today what we're going to be doing is sell. We're going to be selling off today. And we know that NASDAQ is one pair that is very bullish. If we look at our analysis on monthly time frame, okay, if we look at analysis on the monthly time frame, we'll see NASDAQ has been bullish. NASDAQ has been buying. All right, in the past 3 months, NASDAQ has been buying, right? You can see crypto has been going down, Bitcoin has been going down, all right? Gold has been selling and all, but NASDAQ has been doing so well. So why do you want to sell? We want to buy NASDAQ, all right? We want to buy NASDAQ. So let's check our 1 week chart. Okay, it's responding right now. Sorry. Let's do this. You can see this is the weekly chart, and you can see it's bullish. It's on an upward trend. You can see it. They are green candles creating higher high structures. All right. So you can see this, right? The past 3 weeks has been bullish. You can see them green candles, and it has created a new high. All right. So let's but we are not taking our trade on weekly. All right. If you go to daily, also you see that price is bullish. It's simple to read the charts. All you just need to do is use your eyes. It's that simple. Just use your eyes. So we can see yesterday was bullish, but today is selling. We've seen some fundamental analysis, and we know it's selling. But how do you take your sell? All right. Me, I like to buy NASDAQ, so I'll just wait for NASDAQ price to come to my demand zone, okay, or it comes to my trend line. Any of them is either it comes to my demand zone or my trend line, and I use Fibonacci for my entry. So if I'm going to take a trade today, I'm going to be buying, even though yes, it's selling, I'm going to be buying. How do I want to buy? Though I'm going to buy for a short term. All right. So I use my entry. I use Fibonacci for my entry, and I'll be showing you how I make my entries. So let's go to, we've seen the daily. All right. And we are going to our 4 hours chart. No, sorry, 1 hour chart, because that's where I'm going to take my entry. I'm going to analyze on 1 hour, then I'll take my entry in 15 minutes. So let's make this very quick. So you can see our chart here. This is our bullish order block, because this was where price came to, okay? And since then, price has not returned there. Price has been going up. This is 13th of May 2001, and this was where the origin of the bullish trend started again in a long time. You can see it's been falling, right? But now here it's bullish. Okay, so this is return to origin or return to order block. Price came here, broke. All right, BOS, break of structure, or BMS, anyone breaking market structure. It broke this structure, came down, returned to origin, and this is where you can get your second chance to take your entry, your buy entry. People call it double bottom, people call it W, whatever it is. Just know this is just order blocks and ROTO, return of origin, right? And the price started making its headway. All right, so you can enter the chart with different strategy. You can use your trend line, you can use demand and supply zone, you can use support and resistance, you can use Fibonacci. I love the Fibonacci too. The Fibonacci will tell you where the price is going to retrace to, and then boom, you take your sniper entry. So we can see BOS here again. It happened there, and price came back. All right, tested it and you can see it. So every time price breaks a supply, okay, go to a lower time frame demand and take your buy. It's simple. I'm going to say that again. Every time price breaks your supply, because I told you I like to buy NASDAQ. All right, I'm bullish about NASDAQ. I like to buy NASDAQ. So I take more buy entries than sell entries. All right. So anytime price breaks a market structure like right here, okay, what you want to do is go to a smaller time frame demand structure to take your buy. You can either take on a smaller time frame by detecting an FTR, okay, look for FTRs or a bull trap, all right, and boom, take your entry. You can use Fibonacci too also, and you can use trend line. These are the three things that I use for entry. So right here, if I'm taking this buy on my account, right, what am I going to do? I'm going to be using the Fibonacci tool, all right, the Fibonacci tool. So this is simple right here. This is simple. Price did what? Price breaks the structure. Okay, so let's do it. This is it. This is a structure here or a supply. So price, okay, does what? Breaks the structure. So you don't just take your buy. A lot of people, they lose money here. A lot of people, they lose money here. All right, let me show you where people lose money. People like, oh, he broke the support, he broke the resistance. They begin to take buy here. You can see this sell, they lose money. No, if you break the structure, don't take your buy. Be patient, guys. Wait for price to come, retrace towards a zone. You can see the zone here where there were accumulations. You can see the zone here. Let me mark these small doji candles. All right, so this is how you draw your zone. For those who know rally base, rally, drop base, drop, that's it right there. So that's how you mark the zone. Okay, that's how you mark the zone. It's just simple, very simple. Okay, very simple. Mark the zone. Now there's something you need to notice. Does the zone match up with the Fibonacci level? Yes, our 61.8 golden Fibonacci level. And you can see what price did. When price got there, it started buying. You're going to see it when I put it on 1 hour time frame. You're going to see it when I put it on 1 hour time frame. Let's 15 minutes time frame. Sorry about that. Okay, good. So you can see the rejection clearly. All right. So in 15 minutes, you can see this is an FTR. It's like a rally, base, and rally. All right. So this is an FTR right here, where there was a pause before the continuation of the massive push move. Okay. And you can see price, there's an FTB. All right. Price comes back. All right. And boom, you take your buy and it goes up. Now, for those who like minimal risks to reward, if you don't want your stop loss to be really, if you don't want your stop loss to be really large, you want it to be small, you want to wait for price to come and test this zone here called the 0.78. That's a deep retracement level on the Fibonacci, and that is where we have our order blocks. All right, and that's the trend line also. So what I want to do, this is what I expect. This is when I take my own buy, because I like to take it really. So I'm going to take my buy here and I'm going to target the next high. So it's that simple. I'll just wait for price to come here. Okay, and boom, I take my buy. It's that simple. So this is the analysis for NASDAQ. All right, if you want to take the sell, you can take the sell right there. All right.